So hello everyone, this is me Sneha and welcome to my channel. So in my previous video I just taught you that कि मेरा next video जो आ रहा है बहुत interesting है. So I am up with this video. So as you have seen the thumbnail, I am going to show my sketch gallery today. Means I'm going to share my sketches, means what I have sketched and what I have done from starting till now, that I'm going to share with you guys. And just let's start the video. So before showing that sketches, I just want to take you a little back that how I started sketching. So firstly, from fourth standard only, everyone loves to do something in book, backside of the book, and I also was doing that only. So I used to draw Barbie dolls, mehendi designs and all, and I think that's the best part कि जब तब मैंने सीखा था थोड़ा थोड़ा sketching. So I was doing that means drawing on backside of books for so many years. Means so in sixth standard, teachers tell that there's exam of elementary and all that. So after that, they teach us every single thing. So information is very important to means do any kind of thing. Means अगर कुछ भी करना है तो information पहले होनी चाहिए. So I think I was in 4th or 5th standard when I draw a first portrait of my life, which was of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. I think at that day it was Babasaheb Ambedkar's Jayanti, and I used to draw means I used to sketch at that time occasionally. Means if there is any festival, so I used to draw related to that. But I don't have that drawings right now because where they are I don't know. So some of them I am having that I am gonna show to you. So firstly, my first portrait drawing was of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, which was on Babasaheb Ambedkar's Jayanti, and I draw this their sketch, and it was my first drawing, so it was not proper, but it was very big thing for me that I draw that. So everyone was appreciating that. That appreciation was very important, very needed to me, because it was just a start and everyone appreciated, and that's why I think I had done this much till now. You will see that ahead. So this was my first drawing, means first proper portrait sketch. After the thought that practice make man perfect means a lot to me, because I have practiced a lot of my sketches, drawings and everything. Moving ahead, so the second I think sketch, portrait sketch which I have drawn is of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and it was Shiv Jayanti. I think it was Shiv Jayanti, and that's why I draw this, and it turned out to be very good, and it was like means it was very nice, because I am Maharashtrian and I draw this, and it was very much happy moment for me. Not getting the word, but yeah. So this normal sketches were going occasionally. I was drawing occasionally everything, but so after some period of time, I just saw a video on YouTube which was of mandala art, and I loved that means mandala art, and I just tried it. So it turned out to be very good, and I just practiced mandala art and sketches, and after that I draw this on Navratri. It was very nice and I love it. Everyone loves it, but yeah. Then also I am practicing till now, because practicing is most important. If you are pro at any kind of thing, but practicing is very important. If you didn't practice, you will forget what you have done behind, and that's why. So this was my first mandala art which I have done. One day I just see this sketch of someone's. I didn't remember the name of artist, but yeah, I just saw this and I just said to myself, no, you have to do this. It is having the deep meaning, because the butterflies always makes us happy, and the design which is going all over through there, it's very meaningful, and it's like a new beginning to a life. I just liked it randomly and I just did that. So it was my second mandala sketch, which was then after then I think 4 months back I just saw a skull drawing which was very good, and I just loved that. and I just think I have to do this also. So I did that skull drawing, and so it's not like a very much hard task, but it was like it takes time to turn out to be like this. I have made one more skull which you can see here. So this was also my skull drawing. I just forgot to tell you that in July my friend's birthday was there. I just draw her portrait sketch. It was which was not means that much good, but yeah, that was looking like her. So that's why, and you can see here. And after that I just decided that I'll do sketches and all, but I didn't get time to do this because of schools and all. So that's why I do means in month I do two to three sketches, means proper sketches. So I just thought it was an interesting subject, so that's why I just share this with you. That's And I hope you like all these sketches of mine. If yes, then please like this video and tell me that which one was your favorite and which one do you like more. Tell me. If you wanted to see me more, then subscribe my channel, hit that bell button to get notified if you wanted, and take care of yours and of your families till then, till we meet, and bye bye.